worry, Noah. I've got this.
Yeah! Super Sema saves the day!
Woohoo! Slime. It's gooey, sticky, and noisy. But what is it? Let's find out together. Are you ready to join us? Twende, let's go! We love slime, don't we?
We love slime!
Shh! Not too loud, in case Babu hears us. He's not a fan ever since he got some stuck in his beard. But why are we so obsessed with slime? Well, it all began when Tabor made his own special slime. He called it Supercharging Energizer. But the only super thing it did was create a lot of super silly dancing.
And some super rude noises.
Things that take up space are called matter. And the state of a matter could be solid, liquid, or gas. So which one of these is slime?
Well, it's not really solid. Its shape changes.
That's right. Solids are rigid and keep their shape and size. But the slime changes shape. So maybe slime is a liquid?
Well, my juice does this when I pour it in here, but my slime does this.
Ah, look! A liquid like juice takes the shape of the container. But the slime doesn't completely take the shape or level out flat on top.
So it's not a liquid, and it's not a solid. Then what is it? Ooh! Can we find out through the super search?
Great idea! What is slime? Slime is a non-Newtonian fluid that doesn't follow the rules of solids, liquids, or gases. This means they change the way they act depending on how much force you put into them. For example, if you pull slime slowly, it will flow more easily, acting more like a liquid.